Hey, good people. Yeah, I'm out in this weather. It is 23 degrees. Whew, yeah. I didn't want to come out here, but I had left a few things in the back of my car and I needed to come out here and get it. And also, I needed to clean off heaven. I guess you're wondering, heaven? I named my car Heaven because she's a blessing from heaven for me. So I had to clean her off and make her feel good and warm her up for a hot minute. Okay? So the video is behind it. This one, where I'm cleaning heaven off. Have a good one, y'all. See you in the next one. Bye. Hey, good people. I'm outside. Look at my car. Yeah, I'm getting ready to shovel it. Get all this snow off of it and let it warm up. Just thought I'd post what the winter storm did. All right, catch you guys later. When you have sciatic neuropathy, and for those who don't understand or know what that is when you have nerve issues in the sciatic nerve, and you out here trying to shovel your car, baby, please. But I'm doing it gracefully. Catch you in the next one. Okay, y'all. I got as much of it as I could get off. I left a little gray hair on top. Alrighty. See you in the next one.